What would the phases of the moon look like from outer space? Here's a movie we made on a computer. You can see the Earth rotating every 24 hours to make day and night for the people on Earth, and you can see the moon going around the Earth. There is not really a white line in space. The computer put that in to show where the moon goes. The sun is way outside the picture, shining on the Earth and the moon. Remember that we humans are little tiny people living on that rotating Earth. The names for phases of the moon are just names for how the moon looks to us. Sometimes the side of the moon facing us has no sunshine on it, so we call that new moon. After that, the side of the moon facing us has just a little sunshine on it, so we call that a waxing crescent moon. Then, about half of the side of the moon facing us has sunshine on it, so we call that first quarter. Then we have the waxing gibbous moon. What phase comes next? It's full moon, but this full moon is special. Watch carefully. It went through the shadow of the Earth, so we had a lunar eclipse. Now, let's change our point of view and see how this looks to us on Earth. Of course, there's not really a white line in space. That's just to show us where the moon goes. In a moment, you will see the planets Venus and Mercury and the Sun. Sometimes, if we are at the right place on Earth at the right time, we see the moon get between us and the Sun, and we see a solar eclipse. The next solar eclipse that will be noticeable in Rochester will be in the year 2017. So we can see the phases of the moon are not caused by clouds, they are not caused by shadows, they are not caused by Earth hiding anything. The phases of the moon are simply changes in how much of our side of the moon has sunshine on it. Every day and every evening, the side of the moon facing us has a different amount of sunshine on it. The phases of the moon change in a cycle that takes 29 1/2 days.